Hi traders, and welcome back to Trade Precision. Hope you all had a good weekend. We're setting up for our first trade of the day here. We're looking to go long on gold. You can see the time, it's just a little after 10 o'clock, and we're looking to go long on gold. We identified support back a few bars ago at 1490.90, and we're starting to move in the right direction. Got up close. Got about 6 ticks out of it so far. Now it's heading south though. But yeah, we look for a shot to go long. This is Trade Precision. These are the trades, or this will, hope they get all the trades that we do in the trading room if there's not too many of them. Recorded here for you. This is on gold. It's a 5-minute chart, and you can see at Trade Precision we don't use any indicators at all. We just look at the chart, identify true support and true resistance. May not have done a good job on this one, but this thing could bounce back. We've got a 15-tick stop on there. Our first profit target is 10, and there we got stopped out on that one. Well, all you can do is live to trade the next contract, the next time one comes around. So it's Trade Precision, and we'll see. We're trading the gold, the ES, and oil today. Those are the things we're looking at in the room. We're going to set up, and it's going to be pretty quick here on ES trade. I got to get my act together and get things going. We identified some support, so we're going to get the ES. I'll get that arrow right. Gosh, it's taking me a long time here. At 94.25. 94.25. We're going to buy 2 contracts. Yeah, we got in just right in the nick of time on that one. The ES, we go with a 6-tick stop and a 4-tick initial profit target. That's our trade on the ES. There's less volatility, so we go a little bit smaller than we do on the gold and crude. I'll write that in now, that where that first profit is. Yeah, I'm going to be doing it behind your back if I don't move that. So we've got we're going for 4 ticks on this first one, and you can see there's not the volatility that there is on gold or on crude. 1 tick away seems to be the story of my life always. Just can't get that last tick. There, we got filled. Okay, that's great. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the stop up. Just a second here, just as soon as I get this written up. I'm going to move the stop up on this, and I usually like to move the stop to like 1 tick below, where my where the low was. So and it was right on the price, was right on that 14.94. That's what we identified it very good there. 1 tick away from my second profit target being filled. So I'm in a profitable trade, and I'll just keep it beneath the low. It's taking a little while, and that's the thing, for not a whole lot on the ES. One point is $50. It's $12.50 a tick, but it moves a whole lot slower than it does on oil or gold. The trading room's open every Monday through Friday from 9 till 2:30, right around the oil cash market. That's when we usually open. After 2:30, people that understand the system can stay in, and we review some trades. We're 1 tick away again. Let's see if we're going to get filled this time. We try to give you calls well in advance, and there we go, we got filled. Okay, so a winner. Feels a little bit better than last time. Okay, we got 4 ticks and 8 ticks on that. 1 point and 2 points on an ES trade. We're going to set up another gold trade here. I've got it already placed, and we've got the resistance identified at 48.92.80. Gosh, 14.92.80. having trouble with some of my numbers today. It must be Monday. And really, a little sketchy on this trade. I think we probably should have we shouldn't have taken this trade. We really shouldn't have taken this trade. Um, we had a we came up close before there, and ran down, and for that reason we probably shouldn't have taken the trade. But we're in it, and let's see what the thing does. And that's the thing, we get enough trades during the course of the day that you just have to move with it. Oh, geez, we got a little bit of something there, but now it's heading back against us again. Gold and crude. Well, all markets moved pretty fast. Just before right around 9 o'clock, there was a lot of movement in the markets. I'm going to move it up to just see if I can get something out of the trade. Although probably my better bet would be to move my stop down, but I'm stubborn, I guess. And I really should, like I said, with that move earlier, I probably should be out of the trade. We do identify the resistance though, and we stand by our trades in the room, and we'll post the trades, on our website, on the blog on our website. So you should see the trades posted in the blog on your website. Sometime later this afternoon, you should see them on there, and we'll try to get this video on this afternoon too, of the trades we took today. So far we've taken 3 trades, 1 loser, 1 winner, and this one isn't looking too good for us right now. We're about 1 tick away from being stopped out. Oh, there we go. We got stopped out again. So that's 2 losers on gold and 1 winner on the ES so far. Okay, we're setting up for another opportunity here on gold. It's about it's almost 1 o'clock now on the East Coast, and you can see we've got it in at we've got support at 94.20. Just trying to show you where we identify it. I had my order in already because we try to give you plenty of notice, when we're going to get the support. It's at 1494.20, and we're about 6 ticks away from that right now. Just trying to see that that big moves earlier today, when they talked about, well, they didn't downgrade the U.S. debt, but they said it's a little bit unsettling or something like that, and it had a shaky effect on the market. And with that downgrading of the U.S. debt, or not downgrading, but the way there we got filled. Okay, we're in now on this one. There's a flight to quality, and that's why the gold moved up. Oil actually moved down quite a bit because they figured that might be bad for the U.S., I guess, or so oil. But we're not really fundamental traders. This is a technical system that we use. We identify true support and resistance. Sometimes the fundamentals, whack us out of a trade when we don't want to be whacked out of it. But you can see what the fundamental news did. There was a flight to quality, a flight to gold, and moved it up. That's pretty good. We got the first profit target, filled pretty quickly while I was talking about fundamental things, and now we're moving on to, so that's 10 ticks, and you can see I did the same thing. I moved my stop. Now my stop is just 1 tick below the low, and you can see on this trade we took 1 tick of heat. We just took 1 tick of heat, and that's just impressive. We caught the support level real close on this one. Now we're just flopping around like we're not going to get there. Usually these things move pretty quick, and with this thing not moving that quick like this, there's probably a pretty good chance it's going to not go in our favor. We can hope so, but that's why I stick with it. And there's a lot of ways you can move your stop here. Looks like we're going to get stopped out here. You can go, and it's capital appreciation or capital preservation. It's what I tell the people in the room. 1 tick away from being stopped out, and this way I've got a winner anyway. It'll be an 8 tick winner. Some people would move the stop to -9 and hope for this thing to and then just cover the cost of their commissions. Some people would move it to, one tick above break even, one tick would move, to move it to break even. It just depends on the level you are at your personal trading. And we go over that with you, and talk about it, and you get you comfortable with what you want to do. We can identify the entries, and we can give you a good idea on where to go for the exits. But it's really, it's your trading. There we got stopped out with a 2-tick loss. So we've had 2 winners today where we reached the first profit target, and 2 losers. We'll be back again tomorrow, like I say, traders. We'll be back at 9 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. I'll have the room open a little bit before that. And we look forward to seeing you then. Hope you all have a great evening, and we'll talk to you later. Trade precision here, where, as we say up there, simplicity is power. No indicators. Talk to you later, traders.